My name is James Despigler.
My name is Sean Villaverde.
My name is Corbin Lozinski.
Nathan Severson.
My name is Bon Villaverde.
I'm Carla.
I'm the oldest, so
Bon's got a year on me.
She's in finishing, and I'm the engineer for that area, so I work with her on processes and how to work on her parts, and I work with the machinists, how to make the parts better for them.
When I started here, I didn't even know what a burr was, so I knew nothing about machining.
I've been here for over 7 years now, and started off as a machinist.
During that summer when I graduated, I decided to go to school and I went to St. Cloud Tech. And then I also applied here and started working here as an apprentice.
This is the first work culture where I've had work-life balance. Before here, I was underwater welding. Before underwater welding, I was oil field out in North Dakota. The culture out in North Dakota for the oil field is you work until you break and then they just replace you. Here, they don't really find someone to replace you. They invest in you so that way you can be successful. And they also do not work you until you break.
The whole atmosphere, just coming here from where I came from, I feel so blessed. So to be here and learn new things and have him teach and other people too.
I didn't have to hear my kids say, "Dad, when you coming home again?" I didn't have to listen to the wife saying the house is falling apart because I'm not there.
I think the thing that surprised me the most was like how family oriented everything was here. Like I literally come in and I can go to any department and talk to anyone.
The main reason for the career change was all the big reasons. Family life was deteriorating, health was deteriorating, and overall I was just, while the job was still super cool and sounds cool to everybody, it was tearing me apart. So,
Especially if it's, something that I have an idea about making the process better or anything related to getting stuff done more efficiently. Like I have no problem going to talk to anyone.
if you can show them that you care to learn, they'll teach you anything that they can.
I think that people who consistently think about the way to do something better probably have the best chance at succeeding, not just here, but anywhere.
I really want to be part of the machinists that are able to kind of come up with new ideas, be able to get the machine to machine out faster or create better quality parts, keep tighter tolerances. I really want to be part of that.
It can be rewarding for people who aren't afraid to, go out of their comfort zone and make improvements for themselves and everybody. And this company just is asking for that.
We communicate really well with the machinists. I do, and they'll fix it. They'll come and show me, "Hey Carla, there's a burr here. Make sure you look for it because it's something new."
They have always treated me well. I've been given opportunities, and I couldn't be happier to work here.
Everybody here seems to just jump on board and not give up.
I have one thing to say. I come here happy and I leave here happy.
I asked the machinists about, what's this part or who's this customer, and I like hearing that, oh, this is a jet engine part, or this is a medical implanted some type of part. These are high valued, very specific, highly engineered, precise parts that are going to make a difference for somebody.
So my favorite part in the shop is a sternum blade guard that we make. The reason why that sternum blade guard is so important to me is because my kid was born with a heart defect, and he has had one open heart surgery, and he had another surgery where they went in through his back for his heart. So I've actually regularly worked on a part that was used to essentially save my kid's life.
I wish I would have started here a long time ago. Yeah. yeah, I wish I would have known about this place prior to my other job, because this is just a feel good place to work. I just like it.